All right. Hello, students. I just wanted to review Canvas with you a little bit. Hopefully most of you have a basic understanding of Canvas and how to work around that. But I just wanted to show you a few things in the setup of our course specifically. So here is our financial literacy course. If you're taking any other courses from me, such as marketing or CTE, internships, it's pretty much the same. And so we'll just go over a few things here. So as you log into the course, the first thing that you see is right here. Just a course overview, just gives you a little bit of an explanation of what's to expect here in the course and what to see and what we're going to cover. Down here below you have a few different things, some information for you and your parents. This link right here is probably going to be the most important. It goes to course modules. That's where we're going to be doing everything that we do in this class. The next thing is Canvas grades and PowerSchool grades. The biggest thing to remember here is that your PowerSchool grades is your official grade. Your grades in Canvas are a good explanation of how you're doing, but your real grade is in PowerSchool. So just remember that. Then below here is a calendar. Right now I know the calendar shows blank. But in it you'll see kind of what we're doing in class, when things are due, and all. So just kind of give you an explanation there. The next thing that in my course is that you'll see is here on the right hand side is our to-do list. This is really important to pay attention to in the sense that it will give you an idea of what is due. It's not all inclusive, so remember that, but it will give you a basic understanding. As you can see, the disclosure is due November 20th, so Friday. You'll need to have your disclosure turned back into us. All right, so now that we've looked at that, let's go ahead and look at course modules. So if you want to click on course modules here, you can, or if you want to go over here to the left side of your screen, you can also click on course modules. All right, so right now when you get into course modules, there's not much there, and that's just because we're starting off the course. The first thing that you're going to see is the welcome to class. This is where you have a disclosure. In our class, it'll also have, in the personal finance class, it'll also have a personal finance simulation. The next thing that you'll see is weekly quarantine schedule. This is super, super important for each of you to pay attention to. If you are ever quarantined, miss a day, or just need to see what we did in class that day, this is where you're going to look. And I will try my hardest to keep it updated on a daily basis. But what you're going to do is you're going to just click on the weekly schedule. And what it'll have is it'll have that week. So Monday was November 16th, which is a teacher prep day. Tuesday, November 17th. So this is what we're doing today in class. We're reviewing class disclosure and syllabus, Canvas overview, so this video. And then we also went over the class financial simulation. There was a PowerPoint, and then this link right here takes you to something here in Canvas. So if you click on it, it'll take you to the personal financial simulation thing that we did in class. If there's ever something that we do in class, I will link it there so you can just click on it if you are at home, and it'll take you to the spot in Canvas to complete it, whether it's a PowerPoint lesson, whether it's an assignment that needs to be completed, whether it's a resource such as a website, a video, something like that. It'll always be back to modules, in this weekly schedule. As you can see, I've not put anything for Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I will try and get a day or two ahead, but it's kind of difficult sometimes as a teacher to do that. Especially when we are talking about personal finance. We really want to focus on what you're interested in as a student in regards to personal finance. And so this schedule can change. I need to be fluid with it in that regards. So this is going to be a lifesaver for you. If you are ever quarantined, miss a day, or just need to know what we did in class, this is going to be a huge lifesaver to you. If there is ever any questions, though, please email me with any of those things. The next thing that I want to show you is, let me go ahead and leave student view real quick, and I will publish our first strand here with what we're going to be doing in class. Don't pay attention right now. I should have done this previously, but we didn't. All right, back to student view right here. So if you click on course modules again, like I said, it's just that welcome to class, the weekly schedule, and each week I'll put on the next week. And then right here, the next thing what you'll see is our courses units. So unit number 1 is strand 1, which is just financial priorities. And the first thing that we're going to be doing in that class, in this strand, is looking at this PowerPoint presentation that we'll be going over together as a class. And it just kind of reviews some different things. And so all of the resources that we do in this class will be posted here on Canvas. We'll be using Canvas in class since we have computers every single day. You'll probably never turn in a paper assignment. Everything will be done in Canvas. Please, again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. But the biggest thing is if you are quarantined, this weekly schedule is going to be your biggest and your best friend. Thank you so much.